Turmeric, the vivid golden spice in your kitchen, has recently gained popularity among older Americans as a natural health aid. You might have started incorporating it into your daily smoothie, tea, or even your oatmeal. And there's a solid reason behind the hype. Research indicates that turmeric might help lower inflammation, relieve joint discomfort, promote heart function, and even support cognitive health as we get older. But here's a surprising fact that many people overlook. If you're over 60 and using turmeric consistently, there are 3 everyday foods you really need to avoid eating alongside it. These aren't rare ingredients. They're staples in most American households. You could be consuming them right now without realizing they may interfere with the way turmeric works in your body. When paired with certain ingredients, turmeric's positive effects can be diminished or even reversed, potentially leading to bloating or increased inflammation. In other words, instead of helping you feel better, turmeric might end up working against you. All because of the way it's combined with food. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 foods you should never pair with turmeric, along with the reasons they can be problematic. After that, I'll introduce 3 ingredients that actually enhance turmeric's effectiveness and help your body absorb more of its benefits, so sit back, get cozy, and let's dive in. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to use turmeric to maximize its health benefits. There's a reason turmeric has become a go-to remedy for so many older adults in the US. As we age, we tend to become more conscious of our health and how our bodies feel. It's common to experience joint stiffness, sluggish digestion, increased inflammation, and longer recovery times after exertion. Mental clarity may also decline with age. Though these shifts are natural, they can impact daily life. That's why more seniors are seeking out gentle, time-tested alternatives. Remedies drawn from nature, used for generations, are gaining ground. And turmeric is one of the most trusted among them. You may have heard a friend, family member, or even your doctor mention turmeric recently. It's sold in grocery stores, featured in health drinks, and available in capsule form at pharmacies. Often called a super spice, turmeric owes its power to a key ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin not only gives turmeric its signature color, but it also delivers potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's known to help soothe swollen joints, support cardiovascular wellness, aid digestion, and even help guard against age-related cognitive decline. People take it in many ways: stirred into warm water with honey, blended into smoothies, added to soups, or taken as a supplement. It's easy to include in your routine, and it's completely natural. But here's something crucial to understand. Turmeric only benefits you if your body is actually able to absorb it, and that's the catch. Curcumin on its own is very poorly absorbed by the human body. Scientific studies have shown that without the right conditions, your system may only absorb a tiny portion of the curcumin you ingest. This means you could be consuming turmeric every day and still missing out on its real benefits. What's worse, eating turmeric alongside certain foods can completely block your body's ability to take in curcumin. In fact, some of these common ingredients can cause uncomfortable side effects, especially for older adults with more delicate digestion or existing health issues. So before you reach for that turmeric powder or capsule again, it's important to know what not to pair it with. Up next, we'll go over the 3 most frequently consumed foods in the average American household that should never be eaten with turmeric. These food pairings might be doing more harm than you realize, and becoming aware of them could greatly improve how you feel. Let's begin with the first one: processed dairy products. These are some of the most common items in American kitchens. Things like individually wrapped cheese slices, powdered coffee creamers, sweetened flavored yogurts, and pre-shredded packaged cheese. These products are easy to use, tasty, and often part of breakfast or snacks. Many people enjoy mixing cheese into their scrambled eggs, stirring creamer into their morning brew, or grabbing a fruit yogurt on the go. But if you're taking turmeric, these types of dairy can actually hinder your health efforts. Why? Because processed dairy is packed with preservatives, artificial ingredients, stabilizers, and sometimes added sugars. These additives can make digestion harder, particularly for older adults who may already struggle with acid reflux, slower metabolism, or sensitive stomachs. When digestion is compromised, so is nutrient absorption, and that includes curcumin. But there's another issue. Certain proteins found in dairy can actually bind to curcumin, making it unavailable for your body to use. So, even if you're faithfully including turmeric in your diet, those health perks may be lost, simply because of what you're eating it with. For instance, tossing turmeric into your scrambled eggs may seem like a great idea. But if those eggs are topped with processed cheese, the curcumin might not be doing you any good. Instead of reducing inflammation, that combination might be blocking the benefits altogether. The same issue applies to turmeric lattes that use powdered creamers or sweetened milk. If you enjoy rich, creamy beverages or warm drinks made with turmeric, there's good news. There are much better alternatives. consider switching to unsweetened plant-based options like almond, oat, or coconut milk. These non-dairy milks are gentler on the digestive system, cause less inflammation, and allow turmeric to function as it's meant to. Plus, they blend smoothly into beverages and soups without introducing hidden additives that can interfere with nutrient uptake. The bottom line? If you're using turmeric to support your well-being, cutting out processed dairy as much as possible is a smart move. Your digestive system, your joints, and your overall health will benefit. The second group of ingredients to steer clear of when consuming turmeric are foods that are high in vinegar content. These are acidic products that are common in everyday meals and snacks. Think of salad dressings from a bottle, pickled vegetables, condiments like ketchup or mustard, or anything prepared using white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. These items are often found in American kitchens. A turkey sandwich with pickles, a tangy salad dressing, or a side of coleslaw might seem harmless. But here's the catch. Turmeric, and specifically its key compound, curcumin, is quite fragile. It needs a balanced internal environment to be properly absorbed. When it's combined with strongly acidic ingredients, it can break down and lose potency before your body even has a chance to use it. This is especially concerning for those with sensitive digestion or acid reflux, as the mix of turmeric and acidic foods can lead to bloating, heartburn, or stomach discomfort. Many people think they're making a healthy choice by adding turmeric to salad dressings, and it would be, if the dressing weren't loaded with vinegar or citrus. You might not notice the effects immediately, but over time the combination could reduce the benefits turmeric offers. So what's the alternative? A homemade dressing can make all the difference. Try mixing extra virgin olive oil with a bit of lemon juice and a dash of black pepper. Not only is this combo tasty, but the olive oil's healthy fats and the piperine in black pepper actually enhance curcumin absorption. Love pickles or tart condiments? You don't have to give them up entirely. Just try not to eat them at the same time as turmeric. Spacing them out during the day gives your body a better chance to make use of turmeric's active compounds. To sum it up, acidic foods aren't bad on their own, but combining them with turmeric in the same meal can work against you. If you want turmeric to do its job properly, avoid pairing it with vinegar-rich items. Now let's turn to something that's cozy, familiar, and for many hard to resist: sweet cereals and baked goodies. Whether it's a sugary bowl of cereal in the morning, a muffin from your go-to coffee spot, or a comforting slice of banana bread, these foods are part of everyday life for many people. And now, turmeric is popping up in these items too. You may have come across turmeric pancakes, muffins, or granola bars marketed as healthy options. But here's the problem. If these foods contain a lot of refined sugar, they could be undoing all the good that turmeric is supposed to bring, without you even knowing it. Sugar is known to be a major trigger of inflammation. It spikes blood sugar levels, puts stress on your metabolic system, and contributes to chronic health problems like cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline. In contrast, turmeric's primary role is to fight inflammation, protecting your cells, supporting immune function, and reducing internal swelling. So when turmeric is consumed alongside sugary foods like cereals, cookies, or pastries, there's a contradiction happening. Turmeric is trying to soothe the body, while sugar is provoking inflammation. The outcome? Turmeric's power is reduced, or canceled out altogether. On top of that, sugar can disrupt insulin levels, slow down digestion, and interfere with how nutrients like curcumin are absorbed. This combo is particularly concerning for older adults who are keeping an eye on blood sugar, trying to maintain joint mobility, or caring for brain health. That said, you don't need to give up comfort food. You just need to make better choices. Try mixing turmeric into unsweetened oatmeal, enjoying it with whole grain toast and a bit of almond butter, or blending it into smoothies with fruits like bananas or blueberries. Want to sweeten things a bit? Go for natural sweeteners like raw honey or pure maple syrup, in moderation. These natural options don't cause the same spikes in blood sugar and are less processed, making them a much better match for turmeric. The big idea here is simple. If you're aiming to reduce inflammation, don't eat turmeric at the same time as foods that promote it, especially those loaded with white sugar, corn syrup, or heavily processed ingredients like store-bought baked goods and boxed cereals. A little mindfulness can make a big difference. Now that we've gone over the foods to avoid, let's look at the ones that actually increase turmeric's power. Here's the good news. Turmeric works even better when it's combined with the right types of ingredients. You don't need fancy supplements or overpriced products. Just a few everyday kitchen staples can significantly improve how well your body absorbs curcumin and how much benefit you get from it. These 3 foods don't just go well with turmeric, they actually enhance its effects and help deliver greater results for your health. No matter whether you're taking turmeric to ease joint discomfort, improve digestion, support brain health, or maintain a healthy heart, combining it with the right foods can significantly boost its effects. Let's take a look at 3 ingredients that can amplify turmeric's benefits and how you can easily use them in your daily life. First up is something almost everyone already has in the kitchen: black pepper. This common spice contains a powerful natural compound called piperine. Scientific research has shown that piperine can boost your body's ability to absorb curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, by as much as 2,000%. Yes, that's not a typo. A small amount of piperine can make curcumin up to 20 times more bioavailable. On its own, curcumin is absorbed very poorly, but when paired with black pepper, its absorption dramatically improves. This is especially crucial for older adults, since nutrient absorption tends to decline with age. It's not just what you eat, it's how your body makes use of it that matters most. By simply adding a touch of black pepper to your turmeric, you're giving your system a better chance to deliver those anti-inflammatory and brain-boosting compounds exactly where they're needed, whether that's your joints, immune system, or memory center. You don't need much. Just a pinch of freshly ground pepper can do the job. You can mix it into turmeric tea, season scrambled eggs, or toss it into a soup or stew that includes turmeric. It won't change the flavor much, but the health payoff is significant. For instance, try this easy drink. Combine 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric with a cup of warm almond milk and a small amount of black pepper. Stir well and sip in the morning. It's a simple habit that can help reduce inflammation, promote mental clarity, and support joint health. One tip: use freshly ground black pepper when possible. It contains more active piperine than the pre-ground version sold in shakers. And if you're taking turmeric supplements, take a close look at the label. Many high-quality formulas include piperine, sometimes listed as bioperine, a concentrated extract of black pepper. If it's missing, you may not be getting the full effect of the curcumin you're relying on. So remember, turmeric and black pepper aren't just good together in the kitchen, they're a powerhouse health duo. Add a pinch of black pepper every time you use turmeric, and you'll be giving your body a major boost. Next on the list, healthy fats. Curcumin is a fat-soluble compound, which means it dissolves and is absorbed more easily in fat than in water. This detail is incredibly important. If you're consuming turmeric without any fat, your body may pass most of it without ever using its beneficial compounds. For older adults, especially those dealing with joint stiffness or chronic inflammation, you want to get the most out of every dose of turmeric. The right fats can act like a delivery system that helps curcumin enter your bloodstream and travel to where it's needed most. So, what kinds of fats should you look for? We're talking about unprocessed, nutrient-rich sources like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, almond butter, chia seeds, flax seeds, and oily fish like salmon. These healthy fats support brain function, boost heart health, and enhance metabolism, all without the harmful effects of processed or saturated fats. Here's how to work them into your meals. If you're making soup or stew with turmeric, stir in some olive oil toward the end. For smoothies, try adding avocado or a spoonful of nut butter. Roasting vegetables, sprinkle on turmeric and drizzle olive oil before baking. Scrambling eggs, cook them in olive oil or avocado oil with a little turmeric and black pepper. The idea isn't to eat more fat, it's to choose the right kind of fat when using turmeric. These healthy fats help curcumin stay in your digestive system long enough to be absorbed and distributed throughout your body, improving memory, joint function, and immune strength. One warning: avoid pairing turmeric with unhealthy fats like margarine, vegetable shortening, or oils used in deep frying. These fats can raise inflammation and cancel out the very benefits turmeric is supposed to provide. Think of healthy fats as curcumin's transportation system. Without them, it struggles to reach its destination. With them, turmeric becomes significantly more effective, and you'll likely notice the difference in how you feel. Last but not least, there's raw honey, a naturally sweet ingredient that not only tastes great but also comes with its own healing properties. Raw honey is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, and it even contains natural enzymes that can aid digestion and strengthen immune defenses. When used together with turmeric, raw honey provides 2 big advantages. First, it makes turmeric taste smoother and more enjoyable, especially in drinks like teas or warm milks. Second, it enhances turmeric's anti-inflammatory power, helping to soothe the digestive tract, ease throat irritation, and give your immune system extra support. But here's an important distinction. It has to be raw honey, not the processed kind sold in squeeze bottles at the supermarket. Most commercial honey is pasteurized. It's heated to high temperatures that destroy the very nutrients and enzymes that make honey beneficial. Raw honey, on the other hand, is usually thicker, cloudy in appearance, and contains pollen, natural enzymes, and other bioactive elements. So if you're looking to boost the impact of turmeric naturally, raw honey is a perfect partner. Just make sure you're using the real, unfiltered kind. Here are a few simple and effective ways to enjoy turmeric with raw honey. Try mixing half a teaspoon of turmeric with a teaspoon of raw honey in warm water. Stir it well and sip slowly. You can also add turmeric and raw honey to your favorite herbal tea for a calming drink in the evening. Another idea is to combine turmeric, lemon juice, and honey in hot water to create a gentle detox drink to start your day. Or, blend turmeric and honey into a thick paste and take a small spoonful daily, a method some people affectionately refer to as a golden spoon. For those who struggle with allergies, sinus discomfort, or throat irritation, this combination can be particularly soothing. And thanks to honey's natural sweetness, it's a great way to make turmeric more enjoyable without needing refined sugars or syrups, which can trigger inflammation. One important reminder, even though raw honey is natural, it still contains sugar. So, if you're managing blood sugar levels or have diabetes, it's best to keep your intake moderate. Generally, about 1 teaspoon per day is safe and beneficial for most people. So if you're looking for an easy, natural way to upgrade how you use turmeric, raw honey is a smart choice. It helps your body better absorb turmeric's active compounds, and it contributes its own health benefits too. As we wrap up, I want to offer my sincere thanks not just for watching but for making time to prioritize your health today. It's something we often overlook when life is busy, but today you paused to learn something new, to reflect, and to take a small step toward better well-being. And that means a lot. In this video, we explored turmeric from multiple angles: what it is, how it works, and how it can fit into your daily health habits. We talked about 3 everyday foods that may interfere with its benefits, and then we highlighted 3 powerful natural pairings: black pepper, healthy fats, and raw honey, that help turmeric reach its full potential. Taking care of your health is about steady progress, not sudden changes. It's about making thoughtful decisions, one day at a time. Maybe tomorrow morning, you stir a little turmeric and black pepper into your tea. Maybe next week you swap that sugary coffee creamer for oat or almond milk. Maybe when your joints feel a little stiff, you reach for that golden spoon of turmeric and honey. These small steps matter, they add up, and soon they become part of your routine. Over time, those daily habits shape how you feel, not just physically but mentally and emotionally too. Because when we show up for our bodies, we feel more grounded, more capable, and more resilient. And no matter your age, whether you're in your 60s or your 90s, that inner strength and sense of self-worth is something you absolutely deserve. I like to remind people aging isn't about decline, it's about evolution. You've gained insight from a life full of experience. Now is your moment to use that insight to live with greater intention, making choices that care for your body, your mind, and your soul. If this message resonated with you, I encourage you to share it with someone in your life, a friend, a sibling, a neighbor, anyone who might benefit. You never know how a single piece of advice can change someone's perspective or even improve their health. And if you'd like to continue learning with us, we're always here. Every week we share gentle, practical, and meaningful guidance to help support healthy aging. See you soon.